This is our solar system, which we made in our classroom.
I've got the taste for another night like this. No time wasted within your fingertips. I heard it loud and clear. You don't have to stay home, but boy, you can't stay here. I don't wanna waste a minute. Anything you want, I'm in it. Don't take me home. Don't take me home. I don't care where we go as long as we're together. Don't take me home. Don't take me home. Endless summer, sunlight in your hair. My legs shaking, so tired of standing still. Seal the front door.
I am the Mercury. Do you want to meet me? Let's go.
At least until we run out of gas. Don't take me home. Don't take me home. I don't care where we go as long as we're together. Don't take me home. Don't.
This is me. There is no moon on Mercury. Venus is the second closest planet of the Sun.
There is also no moon of Venus.
I am the Earth. The third planet in the solar system is the Earth. This is the only planet that sustains life. It is the only planet with favorable climate conditions. Earth takes 365 days to complete one revolution around the Sun. Earth have one natural satellite, the Moon. And the Mars. It is a fourth planet in solar system. It is rock traditional planet. Mars is wide count as red planet. Mars has two moons. I am the Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter's diameter is 1,92,984 kilometers. Jupiter's temperature is -130 degrees. And Jupiter has 79 moons. The four largest ones are Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. 1 year in Jupiter is 12 years of Earth. Jupiter is known for its red great spot, a great spot that has been raging for hundreds of years. Jupiter has three rings that are made of dust, but we can't see them. Jupiter's atmosphere is made up of 71% hydrogen and 29% helium. Sunlight travels to Jupiter in 43 minutes and 2 seconds, as it is 778 million kilometers from the Sun. Jupiter is a very special planet for Earth because if we lose Jupiter for one day, the main impact on the Earth will be asteroids and other space floats. Morning everyone, my name is Afifa. Today my presentation topic is Saturn. Saturn is the largest planet. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn is the sixth planet in our solar system. It has beautiful rings. It takes 29.5 years to. I am Saturn. Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system. Saturn color is yellowish. Saturn looks very beautiful. Saturn is made up of gases that hydrogen and helium. Saturn have many moons, but Titan was the largest moon on Saturn. It has 62 moons.
I am Uranus. I am the third largest planet in our solar system and the seventh planet from the Sun. It is surrounded by faint rings. Uranus cannot support life as we know that Uranus is made of water, methane, ammonia, hydrogen and helium. Yay! The distance of Uranus from the Sun is 2,870,658,186 kilometers. Uranus complete a one round of Sun in 84 years. Uranus diameter is 51,118 kilometers. Uranus has at least 27 moons, 5 of which are considered large forms.
I am Neptune. Neptune is the eighth and farthest planet from the Sun in our solar system. It is fourth largest planet by diameter, and the distance between Earth to Neptune is 4,500,000,000 kilometers, and Neptune has 18 moons.
Thank you.